So everyone's buzzing about air fryers these days. Now, while it might seem like everyone's telling you to get one, we are here to shake things up a bit and talk about why you might not want to jump on the air fryer bandwagon. First up, do you think air fryers actually fry your food? Think again. It might come as a surprise, but air fryers don't really fry anything. Instead, they use convection heating to blow hot air around your food, creating that crispy and crunchy texture we all love, without the need for deep frying. It's pretty much like using a conventional convection oven with a fan feature, so if you're nodding along because you already have a convection oven, you might not need an air fryer after all. This is a major reason why an air fryer might not be a necessary purchase for your kitchen. Now, let's talk about size. Air fryers can be pretty bulky, and they take up a lot of precious counter space. If you're short on room or like to keep your kitchen counters clear, this might be a deal breaker. And while we're on the topic of size, let's talk capacity. Most air fryers are on the smaller side when it comes to cooking space, which isn't ideal if you've got a larger family or love hosting big dinners. Imagine trying to make a batch of fries for everyone and having to do it in 3 or 4 rounds. Next, let's chat about the cost. High-quality air fryers can definitely put a dent in your wallet. If you're not planning to use it super frequently, it might not be worth the investment. Think about it. Are a few batches of crispy fries now and then worth that price tag? Moving on to a pretty big point, overlapping functions. If you already have a convection oven or even a good toaster oven, you might not really need an air fryer. A lot of these appliances can give you similar results. So why crowd your kitchen with another gadget that kind of does the same thing? And here's something not everyone talks about, the limited cooking options. Sure, air fryers are great for some quick chicken wings or fries, but they aren't as versatile as other appliances. If you're looking to cook a wide variety of dishes, the air fryer might fall short. Now, for those who are new to air fryers, there's definitely a learning curve. Figuring out the perfect cooking times and temperatures can be tricky and honestly, a bit frustrating. Not everyone wants to experiment and possibly face a few cooking fails along the way. And let's not forget about energy consumption. Depending on the model, some air fryers can really rack up your electricity bill, especially if you're cooking for prolonged periods. If energy efficiency or cost is a concern for you, this might be a deciding factor. And lastly, the taste and texture. Some folks find that food from an air fryer just doesn't match up to the good old deep-fried taste and feel. If crispy perfection is what you're after, you might find air-fried goodies a bit underwhelming. So, there you have it. A few reasons why an air fryer might not be the best fit for your kitchen. But hey, if you're still interested in exploring some options, stick around because up next we're going to talk about the top 3 air fryers that will cost you less than $100. First up, we have the Ninja AF 101 air fryer. This little wizard is all about making fried food without the guilt. It uses up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Perfect for those of us who love a good French fry but could do without the extra calories. It's got a nice wide temperature range, so whether you're looking to dehydrate some fruit for a healthy snack or crisp up some wings for game day, this air fryer has got you covered. Plus, the 4-quart capacity is great for cooking up a decent amount of food, like 2 pounds of French fries at a shot. Cleaning up is a breeze too, with dishwasher-safe parts. And hey, it even comes with a 20-recipe booklet to get your culinary juices flowing. Moving on to the COSORI air fryer TurboBlaze. This is for those who need a bit more versatility in their kitchen gadgets. With 9 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, and bake, this machine does a whole lot more than just fry. Its 5-speed airflow system ensures everything cooks evenly, and it's up to 46% faster than previous models. That's a lot of time saved. The 6-quart capacity makes it easy to cook for a crowd, and it operates quietly. Plus, it uses up to 95% less oil, so you can enjoy your favorite fried foods without the grease. Cleanup? No problem. It's dishwasher safe. And last but definitely not least, the CHEFMAN multifunctional digital air fryer and rotisserie. This is the real multitasker of the bunch. Not only can you air fry, but you can also bake, dehydrate, and even do a rotisserie chicken. No need to preheat, so you're saving time and cooking fast with its rapid air technology. It's particularly great if you're cooking for a large family or meal prepping, thanks to its extra-large 10-liter capacity. Checking on your food is easy with the interior lights and clear window. And when you're done, the cleanup is minimal with its dishwasher-safe parts. And there you have it, folks. 3 fantastic air fryers that could take your cooking game to the next level, making your meals quicker, healthier, and yes, even tastier. But no matter how advanced your kitchen gadgets are, there's one tool that every home chef needs to have in their arsenal: a good chef knife. In this video, I'll show you my top picks and share some tips on what to look for when choosing the perfect chef knife for your home. Check it out.